warmest welcome to everybody reading the manual. The manual gives you the basic information about the ingredients and the 6-step, easy-to-follow guide. Please pay attention to the useful advice and helpful tips as we lead you through the manual. 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 The manual.